In this video, I'll show you how to turn off comments on Facebook posts quickly and easily. If you've ever shared something on Facebook and realized you want more control over who can respond, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and how to limit comments on a post in just a few simple steps. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy social media tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook and go to the post you want to manage. This can be a post on your profile, page, or any post where you have comment control options available. Once you've found the post, look for the three dots or the menu icon, usually in the top corner of the post. Tap or click those three dots to open the post options. From the menu that appears, look for the option that says "Who can comment on your post?" This is the setting you need to control who is allowed to leave comments. Facebook doesn't always use the phrase "turn off comments" directly, so this option is the closest way to disable public commenting on that post. Now, select the audience you want. You'll usually see options like profiles and pages you mention, or friends. If you choose profiles and pages you mention, only people or pages you tag in the post will be able to comment. If you choose friends, then only your friends can comment. This is a great way to limit unwanted replies and keep your post more private and manageable. If your goal is to stop most people from commenting, profiles and pages you mention is usually the strictest option available. After selecting it, the settings should save automatically. In some cases, you may need to go back or close the menu to confirm the change. Once that's done, your post will have restricted comments based on the option you selected. If you don't see the comment control option, it may depend on the type of post, the account type, or Facebook's current interface. In that case, try checking whether the post is on a personal profile, a page, or a group, since comment settings can work differently in each place. Facebook updates its menus often, so the exact wording may change a little, but the general process stays the same. And that's it. You've now learned how to turn off comments on Facebook posts by limiting who can respond. It only takes a few taps, but it can make a big difference if you want more privacy, fewer notifications, or better control over your content. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like. Subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I'll see you in the next one.